Hello, I am Luo. In the last video, the traditional Chinese words that confuse you too. I asked her which word should be used in this sentence. So in today's video, I want to explain this proverb, 鷸蚌相争,渔翁得利. In 部首鷸, we know that 鸟 means bird, and 跸 means bug, worm, or some creatures that have softer bodies without arms or legs. You can check the link in the description to see the video. So we can guess from the 部首 that this word is a kind of bird, and this one might be some mollusk. The 鷸, snipe, is a bird that lives on the coast and preys mainly on small fish, shellfish, and insects. 蚌, clam, is a sea creature with a shell in two parts that can close tightly together. 相争, fight with each other. 渔翁, fisher. 得利, get benefit. In 战国时期, there are 7 leading hegemonic states: 秦、楚、韩、赵、魏、齐、燕. Today's story takes place in country Zhao. One day, the king of Zhao planned to attack the state of Yan. A strategist named Su Dai thinks that many people will die in the war, which will be a heavy loss for both countries. And the powerful country Qin might take the opportunity to annex both countries. Su Dai lobbied King Zhao on behalf of state Yan, hoping that the king of Zhao would not go to the war. He says, "My king, when I passed through a river on my way to your country, I saw a clam with its shell open and basking in the sun by a river. At the time, a snipe flew up and stretched out its long beak to pick at the clam meat. At the time, a snipe flew up and stretched out its long beak to pick at the clam meat. The frightened clam immediately closed its shells and clipped the sniper's beak. The sniper said, 'If there is no rain today and no rain tomorrow, you will be scorched to death by the sun.' Not to be outdone, the clam mouthed off, 'If you can't pull your beak out today, can pull it out tomorrow, you will die too.' While they refused to let go, a fisherman passed by, grabbed them both, and put them into his cage. Su Dai finishes the story and talks to the king. 'My king, if the state of Zhao attacks the state of Yan, Yan will definitely fight back with all its strength, and the two sides will end up in a stalemate. An affair that the state Qin, like the fisherman in the story, will take the opportunity to destroy Zhao and Yan. The king of Zhao felt that his words made sense, so he cancelled the plan to attack state Yan. The English equivalent of 鷸蚌相争,渔翁得利 is, while the dogs are fighting over the bone, the third dog runs away with it. They both describe a situation in which two parties are so focused on their own conflict that they are on a wall. A third party is taking advantage of their quarrel. There is a similar proverb. 两虎相争，必有一伤. It's from the same book. When two tigers fight, one is sure to get hurt. It is used to describe a situation in which two powerful forces clash, and the result must be one die and one serious injured. Why do I say that they are similar? Because we usually use it with another proverb, 隔山观虎斗. 隔山观虎斗 is to watch a fight from a far and safe distance, where no one knows that you are watching, especially the two sides that are fighting. It describes a situation in which someone observes a conflict or competition from a safe distance without becoming involved. The proverb implies that the observer hopes to benefit from the outcome of the conflict without risking harm. They can be used in a variety of situations, including political conflicts, military battles, and business rivalries. The difference between them is the third party. One is written and the other is observed for a while. For example, when you go home and see your two siblings fighting over the last piece of cake, you sneak over to the table, grab the cake, and eat it. That's 鷸蚌相争，渔翁得利. You are the 渔翁. Let's see an example. Companies A and B are in a price war. As a customer, you can say, 鷸蚌相争，渔翁得利，赚到了. As another company in the same industry, you can say, 两虎相争，必有一伤. 我们就隔山观虎斗，看看谁死谁伤. They are interchangeable, but 鷸蚌相争，渔翁得利 is more commonly used. Now let's have a quick review. 鷸蚌相争，渔翁得利. Two parties have an argument, and a random third party benefits from the argument. 两虎相争，必有一伤. Two powerful forces clash, and the result must be one die and one seriously injured. 隔山观虎斗. To watch a fight from a far and safe distance, where no one knows you are watching, especially the two sides fighting. Okay, it's today's video. I hope you like it and share your idea with me. Thank you for watching and see you next time.